Andariki Namaskaram, Vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode of Two States Junction. It's so nice to see you back again in another video. So, this video is going to be my shopping experience in Home Center in Chennai and the cookware collections which they are having in Phoenix Mall. So, I'll be going through all the cookware collections that they have, which I have seen, along with the pricelets. So, let's get started. So many of you might have started your new house, or you wanted to have new cookware collections or these variety colorful cookwares of ceramic or the marbles. This place has a lot of collections. We might get an idea of how those looks like and what will be the price list. So for those people it will be really useful. So they have this colorful cookware collections. As you can see, these are all like ceramic cookwares. They have like red, bright blue, yellow color cookwares. As you can see, this is a milk pan. This milk pan cost is like 500 rupees. Everything is of really good quality, and that is the one which is of a lesser price, and that's the starting range of these cookware collections. They also have a cup and saucer set in this. They also have a glass jars. As you can see on the top, they have the glass jars, and then these placemats. There are a lot of placemats available in Home Center. So if you're like looking for some decorative purpose for this Christmas or some placemats, you can definitely come to Home Center. They have a lot of collections with respect to placemat. This red placemat is somewhere around 250 to 300, and they also have the Stalimpu saucepan, and then grill pans. They have this eggshells, so everything, the spatula, so everything comes here in this entire set. Those were like so good. Next to that, we have Ever Silver collections. They are like heavy bottom. It's like too heavy. The small saucepan which you are seeing, the small kadai, the cost of the small kadai is like 1,000 rupees, and the big one is like 1,500 rupees. Like, because they are like too heavy, the standard of this Ever Silver is too good. That's the reason I think these are a little expensive side. So on the other side, they have this Meadows collections. There are a lot of like dining plates. You'll have like serving bowls, spoon sets, coasters, hot placemats, and you have this runners also here. So you have this coffee cup. So everything, if you see the tiffin plates, they cost like around 120 to 130 rupees each. So they have all these collections of reasonable price range, all of good plastics and of colorful things. So you can check those things here, and you can get them here. So there is like, I think there is a flat 40 to 50% off running in Home Center for the festive season or the year-end sale. So if you see in this, they have these are like marbles which I'm showing. This does look like a heavy pan, but these are all marble collections. And what they say, they have a set of 4 and it costs around 2,200, and this is also a set of 4 that cost like the same. So if you can see 2-piece or 3-piece cookware collections, they are giving for a flat 50% off. This one even we thought of getting, but they have only one left out, so I didn't get, but they are like too good, which is an Ever Silver. So you can check out that the cost is 1,200, and you will be getting a kadai, and you will be getting a small saucepan, and then one milk pan. So those together it cost around 1,200. They were really good. So I wanted this pepper grinder for a long time. So here they have a wide variety of pepper grinders. So this is one small one which is like 500, and the big one next to it, like it is 700. The other big one is 1,000 rupees. This is all of wooden collections. They have wooden trays, wooden coasters, and you also have one small pepper grinder, which is of 300 rupees. You can also check out if you want to try for the first time. They have wooden cutter plates. So these are like wooden collections they are having. Of course, this is one famous thing that everyone gets from home center, so it is still available. But when I was getting the last time, it had a plain glass bottle, but now it has got some designs. As you can see, the cost of this is like 600 rupees. The two oil cans, each of like hold up to like 900 ml. So they cost two a pair of two cost you around 600 rupees. That's a fair deal. They also have a small one which is like 250 rupees, the small one which I'm showing you. The other one, it is also of various shapes. So if you want some oil pullouts, you can definitely will have a good deal in home center. So in the corner they have a big section full of container jars of glass. So these are the things, everything looks like a plastic, but they are all glass jars, two heavy glass jars. So the one which I'm showing, this is like 350 rupees. A quite a bigger jar is just on the top of it, and if you want a bigger one, it is like 450 rupees, and on the top it is 500 rupees glass jars. So these are the ranges that they have. So on one side they have all the stainless steel collection. So as you can see, this is a spatula holder which is around 400 rupees, and they have few oil containers, ghee containers. The oil containers are also in stainless steel, which cost around 500 rupees. Um, and they also have a lot of storage containers in stainless steel. As you can see, everything costs around 350, 250, and they have a variety of sizes in this. They also have serving plates, and they have nice cups, variety cups there, which will also be around the same ranges. So if you like all these collections which I'm showing, you can definitely come here. And also they have this steamer, two-story steamer in SS, which is like 700 rupees. So as I said earlier, they have a lot of placemat collections. I hope this is for the Christmas season. They have brought in this, or I'm not sure if it's already there. So these are like very well designed placemats. As you can see, this is a blue color which is like 650 rupees or something. They also have colors like red in this, and they also have like jiggy glittering placemats, or a set of 6, set of 7 for 1000-2000 rupees. Those placemats, a lot of varieties of placemats available in home center. I mainly went to check the cookware collections in home center, but I also see like there are a lot of decorative stuffs that come in for the Christmas season. As you can see, a lot of nice decorative items for Christmas and the New Year. So you can definitely check it out for your celebrations. So these Buddha collections, and you also have a Ganesh, very cute Ganesh that you can keep it on your side desk or on your entrance pathway for your area. So these were around 350 to 400 rupees, are really worth buy. So as you can see, this Lakshmi cost around 650 rupees, and this Pillayar is like 700 rupees. And the one player who is reading book, this is like 900 rupees, so good. So these lot of collections they have. I also went to this Home Stop store in same Phoenix Mall. I checked this roti keeper. So these were like 350 rupees or something, so good. So that's it, guide. Hope this gives you some insight on a few things which you were checking out for a long time, and if it is available in home center, you can just make use of it. I'll catch you again in another next video. Bye bye.